Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to factory reset iPhone without a computer with the new iOS 27 method. You can, of course, still erase with the settings method, but this video is going to focus on the method through the recovery screen, so let's talk about it. But before that, if you're just wondering how to reset your phone through the settings, then I'll quickly answer that question. So you can just go to the settings general and transfer or reset iPhone and erase all the contents and settings, and then just go through all the next steps. But there's a chance you're watching this video because you're trying to see the new method of iOS 27 of resetting your phone without a computer through the recovery screen, which is useful in two cases. In case your phone isn't working properly, so you can't do it through the settings, then in that case, you may want to do it through recovery. Or in case your phone is locked because you entered the wrong password too many times. But now a very important warning. This method requires you to know the password. If you don't remember your phone's passcode, then you should do it with a computer. And for that, there will be another video. So feel free to check out another video that I have already published. It's named How to Use New Recover Your iPhone Screen Full Guide on iOS 27. So that is the new video. Feel free to check it out in order to understand better how to do it with a computer. In case you don't remember your passcode, or this method that I'm going to show you here fails. But let's try to do it. You'll learn in the meantime if you really can't do it. So first, let's turn off our phone if it's currently on by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons, then slide to power off. And now wait half a minute before you do anything. Just to make sure your phone is fully off, because if you start pressing and holding on the button immediately after the screen goes off, it won't do anything. Okay, now after those 30 seconds, you need to press and hold on the power button for longer than you typically would. You can see at some point it will show continue holding for recovery, then it will change to loading recovery options. Once it changes, the text changes to loading recovery options, you can now release the button and wait until it loads. It will take about a minute or two. Now this is what shows up. If you didn't manage to do what I did here, there's a chance you don't have iOS 27. And in that case, you need to do it with a computer. But if you have iOS 27 or newer, which currently, as I'm recording this video, is in beta. So if you haven't installed a beta version of iOS 27, then you don't have it. After September, beginning with the first or second week of September 2026, iOS 27 will be widely available. So if you're watching this video after that time, then you can probably enter it without any issues. Now you can click on Erase All Content and Settings. Now click on Erase All Content and Settings, and now select Send Data or Don't Send Diagnostic Data. Feel free to select whichever one you like. Now you'll need to enter the passcode to your iPhone. And that is the point that if you can't do it, you need to go back to the main page of the recovery and do it with a computer. It is described in other videos about the recovery on iOS 27. Now, let's enter the passcode to my phone. And now it is going to start erasing. It will take approximately like 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your model, depending on how much data you have on your phone. So just give it some time. Now it's reset and it's showing that the iPhone's locked to the owner. So I'll get you through a few steps of the setup to show you what you need to do in that case. That happens no matter whether you reset using the recovery without a computer or with a computer. It always happens if it was previously signed into any kind of iCloud account, Apple account. So let's just wait a moment until it sets the language. Okay, now the appearance. Let's click on continue. Now I'll set up without another device and I'll select a Wi-Fi network. I'll connect to it. Approve. And now what you'll see is it will try activating the iPhone. But during that, it will ask you to enter the credentials of an Apple account that was previously signed in there. Yeah, you will need to enter the email or phone number and the password to the account shown here. It's a very small hint. You can see it's just dotted here, so you can't really see what kind of email that was. But it's probably your phone, so you're probably entering that email. You can also unlock with passcode, which is more convenient. But if you didn't know the passcode, then you would have to use the Apple account. I do know the passcode though, so I'll do it that way. And now the passcode is correct. I haven't had that happen. Did I enter it correctly? I think I did, but yeah. Now it's going to load, and now the iPhone can be set up further without any problems. I can just do everything else. So yeah, I'll create a passcode, the same one, but yeah. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.